Here's a cool math thing, a giant dodecahedron made from 30 pieces of cardboard. I invited participants at the 2012 Bridges Conference to help me assemble it. I began by having everyone build the structure out of playing cards so they could learn the shape and understand how the parts connect. After mastering this, we were ready for the large-scale version. These slotted cardboard rectangles slide together just like playing cards, but note how we fold back a little triangle which slips in double and then is opened on the inside. Whenever two parts are joined, adding a third locks them so the joint can't slide apart. And every time a cycle of 5 is complete, it makes a pentagonal opening. It's all rather floppy at the start, but will get rigid later at the end of the construction. The trickiest thing to think about during assembly is the coloring pattern. Each piece touches 4 pieces of the other 4 colors, and around each 5-fold opening there is 1 piece in each of the 5 colors. It's not hard to plan for this 5-color pattern, and I feel it adds a really lovely quality to the result. One aspect to notice is that parts which are directly opposite each other are always the same color. The final piece connects in 2 places, which requires a slight flex, but when done, everything is nicely planar with crisp lines. Thank you to everyone who helped with this, especially Joe McHugh, who cut the cardboard pieces based on my template, scored them for the diagonal fold, and painted them nicely. The result is now hanging in the lobby of the Fine Arts Center at Towson University, Maryland. I hope everyone there enjoys it. And if you want to make one for yourself, download the template from my website and have fun.